Did you call? Are they answering the phone? I'm ready, video.
Recording in progress.
Today, video for first appearance hearings has been played to all defendants. I need everyone to please stand up, raise your right hand, and be sworn in by our clerk.
Que se le puso el video de primera comparecencia a todos los acusados. Les pido por favor que todos se pongan de pie para que se les tome juramento.
All rise and raise your right hand.
Todos de pie, levanten la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Say I do.
I do.
Juran o afirman que el testimonio que van a dar es la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad. De ser así, digan lo juro.
Please be seated.
Madam Interpreter, please raise your right hand. Do you swear that you will well and faithfully interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English, the questions asked and answers given to the best of your ability, and that you have such ability?
Yes, I do. Verónica La Rosa, for the record.
Good morning. If there is anybody here for a case on Zoom, please type the defendant's name in the chat room.
Muy buenos días. Si alguien está conectado en la plataforma Zoom y quiere que llame el caso, escriba el nombre del acusado en la ventanilla.
Let's begin. Can the attorneys announce, please? State.
Good morning, Ana Romas on behalf of the state for out-of-state extraditions.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jennifer Sturgis, also on behalf of the state of Florida this morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Wilson, Assistant Public Defender.
Good morning. Let's get started with the out-of-state warrants. The first case is Mateo Ortiz. Is Mr. Ortiz coming up?
I believe they're getting him now.
That's nice. Okay, I'll pass it and go to the next one. Michael Rivero Fonseca Quash, John Luke Villarreal, is he there? I'm taking anybody you have, because I'm not going to sit here 5 minutes and wait for nothing.
Judge, give us one moment. This should be Mr. Ortiz now.
Are you Mr. Mateo Ortiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, you speak English?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning. You have an arrest in Texas. The warrant was issued on October 24th. The charge is assault to a family or house member, impeding breath. There's no bond on the arrest warrant. I need you to tell me if you want to waive or contest extradition. Waiver is the quickest way out of this jail. Texas would have up to 30 days to pick you up. If they don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released. That's called the waiver. That's what most people do. The other option is to contest extradition. That's where you fight the warrant. You're not fighting the charges. You would then be, you're just fighting the paperwork saying that you're the person wanted in Texas. A lawyer would be appointed for you if you cannot afford one, and your lawyer would be able to challenge the legal sufficiency of a governor's warrant, but you would be in our jail at least 90 days if you want to fight extradition. What do you want to do? Waiving it out quicker within 30 days or contest extradition and fight the warrant?
I'll waive it.
That's a smart choice. He was in a cruise and lives there, just so you know. If for any reason you get released and they don't pick you up, make sure you surrender once you get there, because you can get rearrested on the warrant. Also, please sign the waiver paperwork at the jail. It just means you agree to be transported to Texas.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a waiver, no bond, reset date November 18th. Have a good day, sir.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so, everything that happens, like, Texas will come pick me up. What's like the minimum?
What?
The minimum days for Texas come pick me up?
30 days. If they don't pick you up within 30 days, I will release you. That we set it in 15 days to try and get you out of here quicker. Okay?
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Have a nice day, sir.
You too, thank you.
Next is John Luke Villaroel. Good morning, sir. Do you speak English?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, good morning. You have an arrest warrant. It is from Georgia. The warrant was issued September 4th of 2025. The charge is child molestation, 3 counts. There's no bond on the warrant. I need you to tell me if you want to waive extradition or contest extradition. Waiver means Georgia has up to 30 days to pick you up, and if they don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released. It's the quickest way out of our jail. The other option is to contest extradition, where you are fighting the arrest warrant. You are not fighting the charges, just the paperwork that identifies you as the person wanted in Georgia. A lawyer would then be appointed for you if you cannot afford one. Your lawyer will be able to challenge the legal sufficiency of a governor's warrant, but you would be in our jail at least 90 days if you want to contest extradition. Those are your 2 options. What would you like to do, sir? Waive extradition, agree to be transported to Georgia within 30 days, or contest extradition and fight the warrant?
Well, wait.
Smart choice. You get out of here quicker. Waiver, no bond. Reset date will be November 18th to make sure it gets picked up. Please make sure you sign the waiver paperwork at the jail. It just means you agree to be transported to Georgia. We set it 15 days to try and get you out quicker, sir. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Next, Errol Malcolm. Good morning, sir. You have an arrest warrant from Georgia. This arrest warrant was issued October 21st of 2025. The charge is driving, fleeing, and attempting to elude a police officer. There is no bond on this warrant. I need you to tell me if you want to waive extradition or contest extradition. Waiver is the quickest way out of this jail. Georgia will pick you up within 30 days. And if they don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released. The other option is to contest extradition, where you fight the warrant. You're not fighting the charges, just the paperwork showing you're the person wanted in Georgia. You'd then be held in our jail up to 90 days so that the state can obtain the paperwork to send you there. And a lawyer would be appointed for you if you cannot afford one. Your lawyer would be able to challenge the legal sufficiency of the governor's warrant. Those are your 2 options. What would you like to do? Waive and go the quickest way within 30 days, or contest extradition and fight the warrant? You want to waive and go the quickest way?
Yeah, the quick.
Smart choice. That's what most people do. Waiver, no bond. Reset date will be November 18th to see if he gets picked up by then. Please make sure you sign the waiver paperwork. It just means you agree to be transported to Georgia. Have a nice day, sir.
All right.
Next is Julio Diaz Mendoza.
Yeah. You want to help me Spanish broker?
Thank you. Good morning, sir. You have an arrest warrant from Texas. The warrant was issued on October 1st of 2025.
Muy buenos días, señor. Usted tiene una orden de captura y arresto del estado de Texas que fue emitida el 1 de octubre del 2025.
Charge is credit or debit card abuse, and there is no bond on this warrant from Texas.
A usted se le imputa abuso de una tarjeta de crédito o débito y este delito no tiene fianza.
I need you to tell me if you want to waive extradition and agree to be transported to Texas within 30 days, or contest extradition and fight the warrant.
Déjeme saber si usted renuncia a litigar la extradición y usted está de acuerdo a ser transferido o transportado al estado de Texas dentro de un periodo de 30 días, o si es que desea litigar o pelear la extradición.
Yeah, waiver means Texas will come with 30 days to pick you up. If they don't pick you up within 30 days, you get released.
Renunciar a la renunciar a la extradición quiere decir que Texas tiene 30 días para recogerle. Si dentro de ese periodo de 30 días no la recoge, usted sería liberado.
The other option is to contest extradition, which means you're fighting the arrest warrant. You're not fighting the charges, just the paperwork that says you're wanted in Texas.
La otra opción es litigar la extradición, que no es lo mismo que litigar los cargos. Lo único que usted va a litigar o pelear es el proceso de extradición y la documentación.
A lawyer will be appointed for you if you cannot afford one, and the lawyer would be able to challenge the legal sufficiency of the governor's warrant.
Se le asignaría a usted un abogado de oficio para refutar la solicitud de extradición emitida por el gobernador.
But you'll be in our jail at least 90 days if you choose to contest extradition.
Ahora bien, si usted decide litigar la extradición, usted se queda detenido en nuestra cárcel hasta 90 días.
So what do you want to do, sir? Waive or contest extradition?
Así que dígame qué desea hacer, ¿renuncia a la extradición o litiga el proceso de extradición?
Renuncio a la extradición.
I waive extradition.
That's a smart choice. You get out of here quicker.
Esa es una decisión muy sabia porque va a salir lo más pronto posible.
So it's a waiver, no bond, reset date in 15 days for November 18th to try and get you out here, get you to Texas quicker.
Muy bien, entonces no hay fianza. Se vuelve a llevar esta audiencia dentro de 15 días, 18 de noviembre, para ver si usted ya fue transferido o no.
And please make sure you sign the waiver paperwork at the jail. It just means you agree to go to Texas. Have a good day.
Una vez esté en la cárcel, por favor, asegúrese de firmar la documentación de renuncia de extradición. ¿Sí? Que tenga buen día.
Gracias.
Right,
Thank
next,
you.
we have, Brian Watson. He has a local. Yeah, local.
Yes, Judge, have the local.
Good morning, sir. You have an arrest warrant. It is from Texas. The warrant was issued on October 8th of 2024. The charge says continuous violence against the family, possession of a controlled substance. There is no bond on this arrest warrant from Texas. I need you to tell me if you want to waive extradition or contest extradition. Waiver is the quickest way out of this jail. Texas would have up to 30 days to pick you up after your Miami case is closed. So it's no bond on the warrant whether you waive or contest extradition, but waiver is the quickest way out of the jail once your Miami case is closed. The other option, if you don't want to waive extradition, is to contest extradition, which means you are fighting the arrest warrant. You are not fighting the underlying charges, just the paperwork identifying you as the person wanted in Texas. A lawyer would then be appointed for you if you cannot afford one. Your lawyer would be able to challenge the legal sufficiency of a governor's warrant, but you would be in our jail at least 90 days if you choose to do that. And it could be longer if your local case is still pending. So those are your two options. What would you like to do? Waive or contest extradition?
If I waive, you say I would have 30 days in this jail.
No, they'll pick you up within 30 days after your case here in Miami is closed.
After it's closed. So I have to sit here until.
You'll be sitting here until that Miami case is closed. So if you waive extradition, you're basically telling them, I agree to go there, but my local case has to be closed first. So they'll pick you up within 30 days after that Miami case is closed. If you contest extradition, you're fighting the arrest warrant and you're telling them, I don't want to go. And then they're going to get a governor's warrant within 90 days to try and send you there. And a lawyer will be appointed for you if you cannot afford one. Your lawyer could challenge the legal sufficiency of that governor's warrant.
What's in my best interest?
Whatever you want to do, it's your choice.
So if I contest it, that means that they will have 90 days. You said they will have.
You have it 90 days. If your local case is still pending in 6 months, you'll be here more than 90 days. And they'll just get the governor's warrant. And then once your Miami case is closed, you'll go if there's no legal challenge to the governor's warrant.
Okay, and what's the governor's warrant? What does that say?
That's the warrant, the paper. If you don't want to agree to go to Texas, that's the paperwork the state of Florida will have to obtain to show that want you and that you're wanted there. And it's a package signed by the governor of Texas saying you're wanted there. And so
So
if I'm look at it and make sure it's all proper.
So if I'm wanted, then my best interest is just to. I don't know what my best interest
I
is.
don't know what your best interest is. I don't know what you do.
Okay, so if I tell them,
Sir, we're not having a discussion. You
All
either
right.
want to waive extradition or contest. If you contest extradition, I'll appoint a lawyer for you. You and your lawyer can have a whole discussion about what you want to do.
Is it a chance that I could go back to waiving it if that doesn't work out
Could if within 30 days, yes.
within 30 days? Okay, I'll take that route.
And I'll contest extradition, it's no bond. I'm sorry, no bond. Get the governor's warrant, reset it in 30 days. I don't care what his local said, he contested. Reset it December 3rd. Then, sir, you have a Miami case set here as well. You're charged with, and it's just so we're clear, I pointed, can you afford to hire a lawyer, sir?
I can't afford no lawyer.
So you're charged here with domestic battery by strangulation. So public defender's office will be appointed. Let me review for probable cause.
And
There's
it's,
probable cause for domestic battery by strangulation. You are ordered to stay away from Aaliyah Caldwell, the alleged victim. No contact with that alleged victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs, and do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. And do you live with her in Arizona?
no,
So you understand the stay away order? You got to stay away from her. Don't contact her. All right?
yes.
Okay, thank you. So in this case, I'm going to set a bond. The bond is $5,000. Even if you pay the bond, you're not getting out of jail because you're being held no bond on the warrant from Texas. Okay, and if you change your mind and want to waive extradition before the 30 days are up, no problem. Or it will be after the 30
So-
days. It doesn't matter.
So if they in Texas say they want me after I did this, that what's the next step after that?
What?
So what's the next step for Texas after?
They're getting the paperwork together to send you there. So you change your mind and want to waive, then they won't get the
Send me there
paperwork.
regardless.
You just agree to go.
They gonna send me there?
I don't know. Usually you go. It's your choice. Whatever you want to do. Talk to your lawyer. I appointed a lawyer.
Okay.
It's Mr. Wilson, the gentleman standing next to you. Have a nice day. Okay, next is Leticia Miles. Miss Miles there? Corrections, should we go to the next one? Okay, Kyle Jackson.
Yes, ma'am.
Where's Mr. Jackson? Hi, Mr. Jackson, Metro West 1. Sir, you have an arrest warrant from Missouri. The warrant was issued on October 20th of 2025. The charge is failure to appear for driving driving with I don't know, DWI. Is that driving under the, I think.
Under the influence.
Yeah, there's no bond on the warrant. So I need you to tell me if you want to waive or contest extradition. Waiver of extradition is the quickest way out of this jail.
I'm gonna waive extradition.
You want to waive to get out the quickest way? That's what most people do. Is that what you wish to do, sir? Mr. Jackson, I can't hear you.
What's that?
Did you want to waive extradition?
Yes, I wanted to waive
That's
extradition.
our choice. Waiver, no bond. Reset date will be November 3rd to see if you get picked up by then. Please make sure you sign the waiver paperwork at the jail. It just means you agree to be transported to Missouri. Have a good day.
Your Honor, I'm sorry. Is it possible to call back Mr. Watson? He is informing he does wish to waive.
After 10 minutes dealing with that, and he knows now after 2 minutes later, shouldn't he have made it speak to him privately? Oy vey. Bring him in. I'm happy to talk to anybody.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm also waiting on
I'm sorry.
Leticia Miles.
What
Did
am-
Did I give it to you? I'll do it for- I only have one. I have it here. I have it here. Okay. Next we have Keziah Hill. He's over at Metro West 2. Good morning, Mr. Hill. Does he have local? Are his locals closed, corrections? Do I need to get, is he get CTS? What am I doing?
1 second. On his case, he was sentenced Defendant probation was revoked and he was sentenced to 180 days DCJ with CTS.
Does that mean he's ready to be picked up by Georgia?
His sentence expired on September 25th.
Okay, fine. He's ready for pickup. So, sir, we're going to set this case in 15 days for November 18th. See if you get picked up by Georgia. Okay, Mr. Hill?
Okay, if they don't come within the 15.
I guess they have a full 30 days to pick you up. If they don't pick you up within 30 days, I can release you. All right?
Oh, all right.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Thank you. Correct. Deputy, notify him he's ready for pickup. Yes, Mr. Watson. Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Sorry, ma'am. I want to waive.
You want to waive extradition. Okay, you understand you got the local case pending. Once the local case is closed, you'll be brought back before this court, and then we'll notify Texas to come pick you up.
Okay.
All right. That's a smart choice. You get out of here quicker. Vacate the public defender's office appointment. So it's a waiver,
I think we.
no bond, reset date. When is his local set? Do we know? All right, so do it 22 days. 1 second, if you want the reset date, sir. We're gonna set it the day after the arraignment. When is that? Because that could be on Thanksgiving. Okay, set it, you want me to set it November 24th? November 25th. What's? Set it November 25th. We'll see what's going on with his local case, all right? Thank you.
Sorry, what's the reset date?
November 25th.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Leticia Miles, is she there?
No, Judge, she refused, but for Mr. Hill, can you give us the reset date for him?
November 18th. So Ms. Miles refused court. Let me make a note of that. Pending or no? Let's see. No local. So reset Ms. Miles for tomorrow, November 4th. Is that it for the warrants? So we got one more, two more. Virgil Woodson, Mr. Woodson here?
No, he refused.
He refused. He has locals pending. Next court date's November 7th, reset November 10th.
Judge, I'm sorry, you can do Mr. Kyle Tyler Jackson?
We did him, he waived, didn't he?
He already waived. He waived. I did it on Zoom. Okay, that's it for the warrants, right? Have a nice day, Ms. Romas. Good.
Thank you.
Now the in-state calendar, Yvette Rodriguez. So I'm going to start jumping around if you don't bring them in. I have on Zoom, Erickson Ostilian, excuse me. Hi, Mr. Ostilian. You have an arrest warrant from Broward County. It was issued on October 9th of 2025 for violation of probation. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Unfortunately, there is no bond. You will have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The reset date is November 18th to make sure you are picked up. Do you understand that, Mr. Ostilian?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Now we have, this is Miss Rodriguez, excuse me. Miss Rodriguez, do you speak English?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Thank you. Good morning. You have an arrest warrant from Broward County. The warrant, it says habeas grand theft and petty theft.
Right.
There's no bond. I'm not sure. Have you been there before? It's from April 1st of 2024. So
They never sent me the court date.
I don't know. What do you want me to do, Mr. Wilson? You want to check and see?
Oh, yes. I can research. Yeah.
All right, I'll reset it for the afternoon to see if they'll agree to a bond. She says she never got notice.
No, I already served myself. No.
No ROR. You're either going there you're gonna go there either be transported, or they'll agree to release you. It's not
How
up to
much is
me.
the bond?
All right, they'll see if they agree to a bond. I don't know. All right, have a good day. Next is Irelis Dominguez. Is she next?
Domingo, you ready? Yes.
All right, while I'm waiting, I have Kurt Levine here on Zoom at Metro West. Good morning, sir. You
Yes,
have an
Your Honor.
warrant from Broward County. It was issued October 6th of 2025 for violation of probation. I will
Yes.
appoint the Public Defender's Office for you. Unfortunately, there's no bond. You'll have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The reset date here is November 18th to make sure you get transported there. And they usually come once a week. You shouldn't have to wait.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. All right,
Your
Mr.
Honor,
Yes, sir.
big fan of your compassion and judgment.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. All right, now we have Ms. Dominguez. Good morning, ma'am. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You were arrested on a warrant from Monroe County, Florida. The warrant was issued on September 16th of 2025. The charge is larceny with a $25,000 bond, making a false report or false information to a law enforcement officer with a $25,000 bond. So I will appoint the Public Defender's Office for you. If you are able to post a $50,000 bond, do so at the jail you're located at. If you don't have any money to post a bond, you will have to wait up to 15 days for Monroe County to pick you up. Your case is reset here for November 18th to make sure you either posted a bond or were transported to Monroe County. Okay? Have a nice day.
And you have a total bond of 50,000.
Yeah, that's what you show, right? 50,000 total bond. Have a nice day. Thank you. Next case is Rolando Brand.
Good
He's at
morning, Your Honor.
5. Good morning, sir. Sir, you have an arrest warrant from Broward County. The warrant was issued October 14th of 2025. The charge is for violation of probation. I will appoint the Public Defender's Office for you. Unfortunately, there is no bond. You will have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The reset date here is November 18th to make sure you are picked up and transported. Have a good day.
Your Honor, thank you. One question. So they only got 15 days, it's not 30?
Yeah, but they usually come once a week. You'll probably go sometime this week.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Sir. Next case we have is Julio de la Hoz. He's at Metro West 6th. Good morning, sir. Do you speak English? ¿Usted habla inglés?
No English.
Spanish? Ms. La Rosa, you there? Un momento, señor. Espérese un momento. Necesito un intérprete para usted.
Sir, Your Honor.
Are you there? Is she there?
Yes,
Oh,
I
she's
am.
here now. Oh, she's here now. Thank you. Sir, you have an arrest warrant from Pinellas County, Florida, and the warrant was issued April 14th of 2025.
Señor, usted tiene una orden de arresto que viene del condado de Pinellas, que fue emitido el 14 de abril del 2025.
The charge is failure to appear in court for petty theft.
A usted se le imputa no haber comparecido al tribunal para responder al cargo de hurto de menor cuantía.
I will appoint the Public Defender's Office for you.
Voy a asignarle la oficina de la Defensoría Pública.
Your bond is $1,013.
Ahora bien, su fianza es $1,013.
So if you're able, then you have, I'm sorry, you also have another warrant that is from Osceola County, Florida.
Le pido disculpas. Aparte tiene otra orden de arresto en su contra que viene del condado de Osceola.
That's possession of meth, crystal meth, and drug paraphernalia. Failure to appear for possession of a controlled substance and drug paraphernalia.
Y eso es por no haberse presentado ante el tribunal para responder a los cargos de tenencia de una sustancia controlada y tenencia de adminículos para el consumo de droga.
So there's no bond on the warrant from Osceola County.
La orden de arresto de Osceola tampoco tiene fianza.
The warrant from Pinellas County has a bond of $1,013.
Perdón. La fianza de la orden de arresto del condado de Pinellas es $1,013.
So I'm resetting your case November 18th to make sure you get transported either to Pinellas County or Osceola County.
Así que voy a reagendar su audiencia para el 18 de noviembre y ver si usted fue transferido ya sea al condado de Pinellas o al condado de Osceola.
If you have any other questions, feel free to call the Public Defender's Office. Have a nice day.
Si usted tiene cualquier otra pregunta, por favor, pónganse en contacto con la Oficina de la Defensoría Pública y que tenga buen día.
Okay, thank you. Next, Leo Martinez at Metro West 7. Good morning, sir. Do you understand English?
Good morning. Yes, I speak English.
Sir, you have an arrest warrant from Broward County. The warrant was issued on October 9th of 2025. It says felony case theft of state funds. I will appoint the Public Defender's Office for you, and it says no bond. I don't know if he's entitled to a bond. Mr. Wilson, did you want to reach out to them?
Oh, I did this morning, Your Honor. Mr. Valcour wrote back to me $5,000, Your Honor.
So apparently Broward's agreeing for a $5,000 bond for you on this warrant. So I'll set a bond of $5,000. If you're able to pay it, you can get out of jail. If you don't have any money to pay the bond, you'll have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. Do you understand?
I can pay it. I can pay it.
What's your address where you live, for we can put it on the order?
It's 7550 Sturniv Road, apartment
Number
101B, Hollywood, Florida, 33024.
Okay, we have it. So it's on the arrest affidavit. We'll put that on the order. So order to follow, his bond's $5,000. All right, good luck to you, sir. Make sure to keep all future court dates in Broward. Otherwise, that judge will issue a new arrest warrant for you if you miss court. Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Rodney Wooten, he's next. Mr. Martinez, you're free to go. We finished.
I'm just waiting for them to come and pick me up.
Okay. All right. Corrections, we have Rodney Wooten. I'm looking for Taquan.
One sec.
Taquan Barnes. Mariano Brew.
Mr. Bernard.
What? I'll take anybody you got. Who's on Zoom that I'm gonna have to get? Who's Mr. Mundrain? Is he on the regular calendar? I'm gonna need that one out of turn. I don't know. It's
Your Honor, Mr. Bernard is here.
Good morning. This is Mr. Who?
Bernard.
Mr. Barnard. Good morning, sir. You have an arrest warrant from Hillsborough County, Florida. The warrant was issued October 14th of 2025. The charge is battery, 2 counts. I will appoint the Public Defender's Office for you. Your bond is $1,000 for each count for a total bond of $2,000. So if you're able to post that bond, you want to do it here in Miami. If you don't have any money for a bond, you'll have to wait up to 15 days for Hillsborough County to pick you up. Your case is reset here for November 18th to make sure you were either transported to Hillsborough County or bonded out. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mariano Abreu, is he here?
Brew?
So what you have? Angel Abreu?
English, this one.
Good morning. Sir, do you speak
Your Honor,
English?
The Spanish interpreter.
Spanish, please. Sir, you have an arrest warrant from Broward County. The warrant was issued October 24th of 2025.
Señora Abreu, usted tiene una orden de arresto del condado de Broward que fue emitida el 24 de octubre del presente año.
It's a not in custody capias for failure to remit tax.
Es una orden de captura de arresto o alias capias por no haber entregado retorno tributario.
So, sir, can you afford to hire a lawyer?
Señor, entonces, ¿usted tiene los medios para contratar los servicios de un abogado particular?
No.
All right, I will appoint the Public Defender's Office to represent you on this warrant.
Muy bien, entonces voy a asignarle a la Oficina de la Defensoría Pública para que le represente en esta orden de arresto.
Mr. Wilson, have you reached out to Broward County about this?
Abogado Nelson se ha puesto en contacto con el condado de Broward.
Yes, Your Honor, they agreed to a bond of $5,000, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría, ellos están dispuestos a darle una fianza de $5,000.
So I'm going to set your bond on this warrant for $5,000. If you're able to post it, do it in Miami.
Muy bien, entonces voy a poner la fianza de $5,000. Si usted puede pagar la fianza, lo tiene que hacer en el condado de Miami.
If you don't have any money for a bond, you will have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up.
Ahora bien, si no tiene dinero para pagar la fianza, va a tener que esperar hasta 15 días para que alguien del condado de Broward lo recoja.
And your case is reset here at November 18th to make sure you posted a bond or were transported to Broward County.
Así que vamos a reagendar esta audiencia para el 18 de noviembre y ver si usted pagó la fianza o fue transportado al condado de
Can
Broward.
you just confirm your address, sir?
Señor, ¿pudiese confirmar su dirección, por favor?
8420 Northwest 18th Street, Pembroke Pines, Florida 33024.
Is that a casa or apartamento?
House.
Okay, thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Okay.
So it's no bond, right?
That-
No, it's a $5,000 bond. $5,000 bond order to follow.
Is it 5,000? Same as that.
5 mil, 5,000.
Judge, good morning, Officer Vasquez. Can we address Mr. Angel, please?
Over here.
Yeah, I got one more though. I'm looking for Rodney Wooten, but I'll take your case, no problem. Angel Mundarian.
Yeah.
Yes, Judge, he's here.
Good morning, sir. Where's your? I don't, no, the other one I'm looking for there from the in-state calendar. Can you set it a little? Can you set it a few minutes fast on that? 2 minutes fast, 3 minutes. Sir, good morning. You were arrested for battery on a person age 65 or older and battery by strangulation. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Mr. Mandarian, please don't make any statements or comments about the facts of your case while we're here in court today, okay? Thank you.
There's probable cause for the charges. Sir, you were ordered to stay away from the alleged victims, Fernando Moss and Yolanda Rodriguez. No contact with these victims either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victims through social media or other electronic means. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victims, their home and school and place of employment at all times. Do you understand the stay away order, sir? See?
Yes, speak up loudly. Yes, she actually, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
All right, I'm setting a bond. State, does he have priors? It looks like he didn't know these people and just.
Right, Judge, I don't have any significant priors here locally.
I'll just set the bond. Count one, battery on a person 65 or older is $5,000. Count two, battery by strangulation is $5,000. Have a good day, sir.
Do you do house arrest as an alternate for Mr. Mandarian?
I'm not doing that. You're gonna have to go visit the division judge. Have a nice day.
We have,
Okay, let me go back now to the warrant calendar. We have Mr. Rodney Wooten. Good morning, sir. You have an arrest warrant from Broward County. The warrant was issued on September 18th of 2025. The charge is capious for petty theft. There's no bond on the warrant, so you're going to have to wait up to 15 days for Broward County to pick you up. The case is reset here, November 18th, to make sure you are transported there. Have a good day. They usually come once a week. You shouldn't have to wait that long.
Okay, yes, y'all know I got a charge here. Yeah, I don't have to, if I can prevent.
I really can't understand what he's saying. Mr. Wilson, are you able to hear what he's saying?
Well, you know, he says he has a charge here. But this charge in Brown, I never got it notice. And hopefully I don't get one from here. So I'm making it known to the court now that if that should happen again, could you have prevented it?
So you'll go to Broward sometime this week and you'll see the judge there and tell him what you said.
Okay,
Tell him what
ma'am.
happened,
Yes,
okay?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you. Have a good day. That's it for the warrants.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, hi, Ms. Corey. Let me do a turn for corrections. We have Derek, page 10.
Rebecca, Assistant Public Defender, good morning.
Derek Brooks, Your Honor, is that it?
That in-state calendar to leave it here so I can do my orders. And we have one receipt for the afternoon.
added charges.
Page 10. This is not signed. Why are you giving this one for Brian Watson? Not signed. Corrections, Brian Watson did not sign the waiver. He's at Metro West, isn't he? Well, he didn't sign it. Corrections, you gotta reset it tomorrow if you didn't sign it. What's going on? Is he gonna sign it? Where's the warrant calendar?
Judge, I was told by the officer that he signed the waiver.
I just looked at it. There's no signature on it. All right. We'll deal with it in a minute. Page 10, Derek Brooks, is he there? Good morning, Mr. Brooks. Sir, you were arrested for failing to register as required by law. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charge. Your bond's $2,500. He's out on probation. Hold for F22-13942, F23-21680. Have a good day, sir.
Correction, what day did Mr. Brooks get taken into custody?
On October 27th, and he's being held on those pre-probation cases. The continuing date is 11/12.
Okay, next, Dayron Hernandez, out of turn for corrections, page 4.
He has an open bench warrant traffic case. He'll be going to jail and remit next on.
Your Honor, what page?
Page 4.
Thank you.
He has convictions for petty theft, one from May 6th. He has a
Spanish interpreter, please.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for petty theft, 2 or more convictions. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Buenos días,
Is he eligible for pretrial?
Muy buenos días, señora. A usted se le imputa hurto de menor cuantía. Esta es la segunda condena o más de la segunda condena. Voy a asignarle la oficina de la Defensoría Pública para que la represente.
Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the Walmart store at 9191 West Flagler Street in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that Walmart store and you must stay away from there. Do you understand?
Señor, también se emite una orden de alejamiento. Usted tiene terminantemente prohibido acercarse a la tienda Walmart que está en la 9191 Oeste en la calle Flagler. Usted no puede ir a esa tienda, ¿lo entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm setting up.
Judge, would you consider pretrial?
They won't accept him. I already asked them. He has a lot of
About tax
convictions from last year.
Would you do tap?
No, he has a lot of petty theft convictions. I'll set a bond and I'll set it at I'll set his bond at $1,500. Have a good day.
Muy bien, su fianza es de $1,500. Que tenga buen día.
1,500, correct?
Yes, 1500. Any no more? Is there? Okay, I have one out of turn for Anthony Elliott, page 6. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for aggravated assault with a firearm. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Who are you, ma'am? Your stepmother. Your stepmother? Your stepmother's in court. He's charged with 5 counts of aggravated assault with a firearm. Okay, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victims. His initials are CM, CT, TR, SL, and Janasia Martin. No contact with these alleged victims, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties, and you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victims, their home and school, and place of employment at all times. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. You know, I'm gonna set the bond 1,000 each count, so the total is 5,000. Do you have money to post the bond for me? Yes. I'll set his bond at $1,000 for each count. Have a good day. Thank you. Yeah, no. You're welcome. Page 1 is Margarita Debs.
Judge, who did you call next?
Hey, Margarita Debs. Page 1.
Okay, we also have
Judge,
another
can we
Metro
take
guest.
one from Metro West, number 3?
What? Who do you want me to call, please?
Then would you call Juan Gill, page 9, number 28. Mr. Gill, Spanish. He's from Metro.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for battery by a detainee on another detainee. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Muy bien. Buenos días, señora. Usted se le imputa agresión física de un detenido a otro detenido. Voy a asignarle a la oficina de la Defensoría Pública.
Added.
Es un cargo que se agrega.
There is probable cause for the charge. Your bond is $2,500. Have a nice day.
Existe motivo fundado para el delito que se le imputa, así que la fianza es de $2,500. Que tenga buen día.
Do you have the name of the victim? Ms. Sturgis, can you give Ms. Corey the name of the victim?
Roberto Bray, Brey.
Thank you. Next, page 1, Margarita Debs. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer and battery. I will appoint the public. Actually, can you afford to hire a lawyer, ma'am?
I've already spoken to the gentleman.
That's the public defender. Do you own your home?
No.
All right, I'll appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charges. It also could be resisting an officer with violence.
Or an assault on a law enforcement officer versus an aggravated assault. Judge does not appear to be an aggravated assault.
Ma'am, you didn't give me a victim's name, Ms. Sturgeon, so how are we supposed to proceed?
It's in the record.
It's supposed to, here. Has Marcy's law been invoked? Thank you, Ms. Correa.
Sorry, Judge. I didn't complete that one. Annabelle Sedeno is the name,
It's here, okay. Ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the grandchild, Annabelle Sedeno, the alleged victim. Right, no contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. You must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home, school, and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. Do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. You may return to the victim's residence one time only within 48 hours of your release from jail. You must be accompanied by a police officer so that you can retrieve your personal clothing, health items, medication, personal and business-related paperwork, and work tools. If you go to the victim's home without the police, or if you stay there, you will be arrested. Do you understand the stay away order?
Yes.
All right. So count one. You want me to find assault on a law enforcement officer?
Yes, sir.
All right. That's a first degree misdemeanor. Pretrial alternate bonds. Let's see. Count one. Assault on a law enforcement officer. It's assault on a law enforcement officer. It's a misdemeanor. Does she have priors? Does she have priors? Does she have priors, Ms. Sturgis?
One withhold, Judge.
Okay. Count one is $500. Count two, battery is $1,000. Have a nice day. Next, Maribel.
Judge, I'm sorry, for Mr. Gill, can you verify please on the record if the bond was 2,500, correct?
For Mr. Gill, the
Yes.
bond was $2,500
Okay, thank
for
you.
Juan Gill. No, I'm sorry. That's the petty theft.
No.
It's a battery by detainee.
Oh, it's 2,500. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Maribel Escandel Lopez. Page one.
Spanish, please.
Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for aggravated child abuse and battery. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Buenos días, señora. A usted se le imputa el delito de abuso y agresión física a un menor calificada. Voy a asignarle a la oficina de la Defensoría Pública para que la represente.
Ma'am, I'm sorry, do you own your home?
Perdón, señora, ¿usted es dueña de la casa donde vive?
Sí.
Yes.
You're not going to qualify for a public defender if you own your home.
Usted no califica para los servicios de representación de la Defensoría Pública si usted es dueña de su propiedad.
You're going to have to hire an attorney.
Va a tener que contratar los servicios de un abogado particular.
You want me to reset this case in the afternoon to give you a chance to hire an attorney?
¿Quiere que posponga esta audiencia para la tarde y ver si usted puede ya contratar los servicios de un abogado?
Perdón, yo te digo que la propiedad
No le escucho, señora.
la propiedad. La propiedad es la de Tam.
¿Otra vez?
La propiedad que usted me está preguntando.
¿Qué tiene?
Radica en Tam.
I'm so sorry, Your Honor. I can't understand what she's saying. She's saying about something. The property that you just mentioned is... ¿La propiedad que usted ha mencionado está?
¿En Tampa? Sí, tengo una en Tam.
I have one in Tampa.
Yes.
Okay, you can call. You want me to reset your case in the afternoon, or do you want me to proceed now and set a bond?
Por eso le digo, ¿usted prefiere que yo posponga su audiencia para la tarde y sea representado por un abogado o prefiere que le imponga la fianza ahora?
No, yo quiero contratar un abogado.
No, I would like to hire the services of an attorney.
Okay, I'll reset your case in the afternoon then. See you later.
Vale, entonces pongo su caso para la tarde, la veo en la tarde.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Let me just tell you while you're here, stay away from the alleged victims, Yariani Iglesias Hernandez, and the child whose initials are VI.
Muy bien. También le digo que usted tiene que mantenerse alejada de Dariana Iglesias Hernández, así como el menor cuyas iniciales son BI.
No contact with the alleged victims, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
Usted no puede tener contacto con las víctimas, ya sea de manera directa o indirecta, en persona, por escrito, vía telefónica o a través de terceras personas.
And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victims, their home and school and place of employment at all times.
Y en todo momento usted tiene que mantenerse a no menos de 500 pies de distancia de las víctimas, el lugar donde éstas vivan, trabajen o estudien.
Okay, I'll make a preliminary finding of probable cause, but it looks like it just may be child abuse.
Muy bien, voy a hacer el hallazgo preliminar de causa, de motivo fundado, pero esto es abuso infantil calificado.
See you later. Call
La
a
veo
lawyer,
más tarde.
1:30.
Gracias.
Okay, next case is Valette Woodard, page 1. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for grand theft of a vehicle. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
She was given tap alternate 150 on her traffic case.
There's probable cause for the charge. How long have you lived in Miami?
All my life.
All right. Do you have a place to stay?
No, Judge.
Tap alternate bond, $2,500. You have to come back to court for your arraignment. What's 30 days for the tap? Is it December 2nd? December 3rd. December 3rd at 9 a.m. Courtroom 2. Judge Block. Have a good day. Next is Hector Rosales Hernandez.
Pay refused. Reset for the PM.
Okay. Let me review. He refused yesterday. You want me to just reset it?
Yes, please, for Rosales.
There's probable cause for the charge. Reset it for the F.
Judge, we also have a private attorney who's been waiting. I'm not sure if you're aware.
Take a look. I'm not stopping anyway, ladies. Oh, we're ladies, okay.
Oh, yeah. Welcome back. It's gonna be there.
Corrections, is there somebody in court? Shnor Zavani on page 4.
That's for the private attorney, Mr. Salisbury, number 11 on the calendar, page 4. Is he here?
You have him?
Yes, Judge, we have him, but we have Mr. Hernandez Sanchez before you right now, and then we can go up to Mrs. Zavani.
Yeah, okay,
please.
fine. This is Mr. Walter Hernandez Sanchez. Sir, do you speak English?
Yes.
Sir, you were arrested for a battery on a law enforcement officer. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Add it.
It's a battery on a corrections officer. There's probable cause. Your bond's $5,000. Have a nice day. All right, do you have Mr. Shnor Zahava? Good morning, sir. So you were arrested for dealing in stolen property. Your attorney is here.
Judge, if you can make me a co-host, I can.
Yeah, thank you. I will, Ms. Corey. Good morning, Mr. Seltzer. You want to announce, please?
Morning, Judge. David Seltzer on behalf of Mr. Zahavi.
Thank you. Do you have any argument?
Yes, Judge. In reviewing the A form, I don't see probable cause to. He buys and sells bulk products, and normally he's a distributor or a seller, and there's no evidence to know that he knowingly bought any stolen product here. Well, I understand the statute says no or should have known. This is his normal. He buys trailers all the time at discounts, and there's no evidence to know here that there was any indication that any of these trailers were stolen. It just said he bought trailers and sold trailers.
And it says that the Vitamix blenders were stolen and he's selling them.
Correct. That they were stolen, but not that my client knew they were stolen. There was no evidence that my client knew he was buying
Why don't
stolen.
we set it in the afternoon for a probable cause hearing? Ms. Sturgis, what would you like to do?
Judge, if the court's not inclined to find probable cause now, I'm happy to do that.
Okay. Sure. How do you know that they were stolen? I don't know if that's an element of it, but we'll look at the statute later. We'll reset it in the afternoon for probable cause hearing.
All right, Judge, what time? 1:30?
I guess. I don't know why there wouldn't be probable cause if he stole it. What does the statute say?
He didn't steal it, Judge. It's not saying he stole it. It's saying he bought it.
Offering to sell stolen Vitamix blenders.
He's in possession of the trailer with this that is reported stolen with the stolen blenders.
Right. He bought the trailers from a third
I
party.
believe there's probable cause, but I'm happy to reset it anyway if you want to hear from the officer. I don't know if we really need to.
The state's position, there's probable cause here and we don't need it. If the court's inclined, I'm happy to do that. But for probable cause purposes, I think the court can find it at this point.
I think there is probable cause. The victim was able to positively identify their blenders as the ones stolen.
I understand. I'm not saying the blenders weren't stolen, Judge. I'm just saying he didn't know they were stolen. He bought them trailers from a third party. I'm not saying.
So, Mr. Seltzer, that's your defense. This is a probable cause hearing. There's probable cause for the charge.
All right, Judge. He has extensive ties to the community. He's been in South Florida for his entire life. Would Your Honor consider a $5,000 bond?
Okay, fine. $5,000 bond. Have a good day. Next,
Thank you, Judge.
Raheem Jones, page 3. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for possession of a controlled substance, possession of cannabis, and possession of an open alcohol container in Miami Beach. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
I would ask.
Let me review. There's probable cause for the charges. He has a conviction from August 11th. Sage, you have an objection to tap? Can I have a stay away order, please? Sir, you're ordered to stay away from the 200 block of 9th Street. He's sitting in front of a vacant building. To stay away from the 200 block of 9th Street, Miami Beach, Florida. Do you understand, sir?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, I'll tap alternate bond. Count 1 is 2,500. Count 2, I'll set it at an ROR. Count 3, the open alcohol container is $150. Have a good day, sir.
Future court
I'm sorry, Judge.
December 3rd.
Can you repeat the bonds? I'm sorry.
Count 1, possession of cocaine is 25. Tap alternate $2,500. Count 1. Count 2, possession of cannabis, ROR. Count 3, open alcohol container on Miami Beach, $150.
Thank you.
You have to, the arraignment date is December 3rd at 9 a.m. Courtroom 4-3. Judge Carbarga. Have a nice day, sir. This goes to tap. Wait, I gotta finish doing my stay away over here. Next case, Lucio Gonzalez Cabrera.
Spanish.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested pursuant to an arrest warrant. You're charged with insurance fraud, grand theft, and a staged accident. 5 counts of insurance fraud, 1 count of grand theft, 1 count, I'm sorry, I did it all wrong. I'm sorry. 5 counts of insurance fraud, 5 counts of grand theft, 1 count of a staged accident.
Buenos días, señor. Usted se encuentra acá también por una orden de captura y arresto. A usted se le imputan 5 cargos de fraude a la aseguradora, un cargo de hurto de mayor cuantía y un cargo de haber recreado un accidente ficticio.
Sir, can you afford to hire a private lawyer?
Señor, ¿usted tiene los medios para contratar los servicios de un abogado particular? Señor, ¿usted
sí.
tiene los medios para contratar los servicios de un abogado particular?
No, pero yo no sé por qué me abusan.
No, I don't even know what I'm being charged with.
All right, I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Muy bien, voy a asignarle a la oficina de la Defensoría Pública.
It's a made-up accident so that you can get money.
Básicamente, usted creó este accidente ficticio para poder obtener dinero.
It says you went to a clinic after this fake accident.
También se alega que usted fue a una clínica luego de este accidente falso.
Are you okay if I to set a bond on the counts 1, 6, and 11? Ms. Sturgis?
And 1, 6.
Ms. Corey, what do you want me to set the bond at? There's probable cause.
Judge, I submitted prior reg, Mr. Gonzalez Cabrera does not have funds for a bond. Would your honor consider pretrial service as an alternate?
No.
Su señoría, mi cliente no tiene los medios para pagar fianza. ¿Usted estaría dispuesta a considerar el programa Pretrial Services? No.
All right, I'll set it bond. Counts 1 will be, let me see. Count 1 insurance fraud is $7,500. Counts 2, 3, 4, and 5 will be $1,000 each. Count 6 grand theft is $2,500. Count 7 through 10. I'll set those at $1,000 each count. And count 11 insurance fraud for the staged accident. I'll set that at $5,000.
Muy bien. Entonces, encuentro motivo fundado para los delitos que se le imputan. El cargo 1, que es fraude a la aseguradora, son $7,500. Cargo 2, 3, 4 y 5, $1,000 cada uno. Cargo 6, hurto de mayor cuantía, $2,500. Cargos del 7 al 10, $1,000 de fianza cada cargo. Y el cargo 11, que también es fraude a la aseguradora a través de la recreación de un accidente ficticio, son $5,000.
Have a nice day.
Que tenga buen día.
Next, we have Joel Gonzalez Ruiz.
Spanish, please.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for burglary to an unoccupied dwelling and trespass to an unoccupied structure or conveyance.
Muy buenos días, señora. A usted se le imputa allanamiento de una vivienda desocupada, así como también entrada ilegal de una estructura o un vehículo desocupado.
There is probable cause for the charges.
Existe motivo fundado para los cargos que se le imputan.
Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the Little Abner Trailer Park.
Señor, usted se le ordena mantenerse alejado del parque automotriz Little Abner,
At 11239 Northwest 4th Terrace in Sweetwater, Florida.
que está ubicado en el 11239 del noroeste y la cuarta calle en Sweetwater, Florida.
You're not allowed to go there and you must stay away from there. Do you understand, sir?
Usted no puede ir ahí y tiene que mantenerse alejado, ¿me entiende?
Sí.
Yes.
How long have you lived here in Miami?
¿Hace cuánto que vive usted en Miami?
Cerca,
6 años?
cerca de un mes.
About a month.
Where'd you live before that?
¿Dónde vivía antes?
Arizona.
¿Arizona?
Sí.
Ok, Arizona.
I'll set a bond count 1, the burglary charge will be
Judge, would you consider it being just a structure since it's a vacant, essentially a vacant lot?
Okay, count 1 will be $2,500, count 2 is $150. Have a good day.
Muy bien. No se considera más allanamiento de una morada, sino de un lote desocupado. Cargo número 1, la fianza es de $2,500 y el cargo número 2 es de $1,500.
Next, Mario Perez, page 5. He's out on bond hold for F25 22325.
Spanish.
Morning, sir. You were arrested for burglary to an unoccupied structure. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Muy buenos días, señora. Usted se le imputa allanamiento de una estructura desocupada. Voy a asignarle a la oficina de la Defensoría Pública.
And believe the correct charge is no prejudice. It should be burglary to an unoccupied dwelling.
El término correcto de este cargo sería allanamiento de una vivienda desocupada.
You are ordered to stay away from the victim's home at 16010 Northwest 21st Avenue in Miami Gardens, Florida.
Muy bien, a usted se le ordena mantenerse alejado de la vivienda que está ubicada en la 16010 del noroeste y la 21 Avenida en Miami Gardens, Florida.
Judge, I'd ask you to find probable cause for trespass.
That's denied.
There's
There's
no,
probable cause for
there was any
burglary to
crime
an
in-
unoccupied dwelling. What?
There's nothing indicating if there was any sort of crime inside the vacant property.
This is at 6:15 in the morning. I'm
They're
sitting in the
inside a
bond.
bedroom, Judge.
What?
We're inside a bedroom.
Right, bond is $7,500. He has
La fianza es de $7,500.
next is Jefferson Cruz Perez, page 5.
There's bond out.
Bond out, Raul Estrada, Lizama.
He has the whole immigration.
What'd you say, immigration hold?
Yes, Judge.
I can hear you speaking the microphone. Good
Spanish.
morning, sir, Spanish. You were arrested for carrying a concealed firearm by an unauthorized alien and resisting an officer without violence.
Muy bien, señora, a usted se le imputa portar una arma escondida a un extranjero no autorizado. Además, poner resistencia al arresto sin violencia.
So he's from Nicaragua, he's not a citizen, and he has a gun, and they say it's an immigration hold, so I think there should be probable cause for count.
Usted es de Nicaragua, usted no es ni ciudadano ni residente, portaba un arma y tiene una retención migratoria.
He has a gun and he's not a U.S. citizen. There's probable cause count 1, carrying a concealed firearm by an unauthorized alien, $2,500 bond.
Muy bien, él no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos de América y lo encuentro culpable del delito de portar un arma oculta sin tener el permiso siendo extranjero. La fianza es de $2,500.
Count 2, resisting an officer without violence is $500.
Y la fianza para poner resistencia al arresto sin violencia es de $500.
Next day.
Que tenga buen día.
Next is Jose Aguirre, page 5.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for possession of a psilocybin mushrooms and possession of cannabis. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. All right, there's probable cause for the charge. You got a place to stay?
Pardon me? Yes, Your Honor, I stay with mom and daddy.
I'll release him on his own recognizance. Make sure to keep all future court dates. There's probable cause for counts 1 and 2, ROR each count. Have a nice day. Next, Joseph Salgado, page 5.
Reset for the PM. He was relocated to Metro West.
Let me review for probable cause. Did Mr. Salgado refused? No, NBC.
Oh, NBC. It's a 20 case.
Okay, there's probable cause. We set it for the afternoon. Fernando, Lascano, or Daz?
Spanish.
He has a hold for immigration.
All right. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Muy buenos días, señor. A usted se le imputa el delito de agresión física calificada con un arma mortal. Voy a asignarle a la oficina de la Defensoría Pública para que lo represente.
So, sir, you also have an immigration hold.
Además de eso, señor, usted tiene una retención migratoria.
Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Yansley Ruiz.
Señor, usted se le ordena mantenerse alejada de la supuesta víctima, Yansley Ruiz.
No contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
Usted no puede tener contacto con la supuesta víctima, ya sea de manera directa o indirecta, en persona, por escrito, vía telefónica o a través de terceras personas.
No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means.
Tampoco puede tener contacto con la supuesta víctima a través de las redes sociales o cualquier otro medio de comunicación electrónica.
And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, his home, school, and place of employment at all times.
Y en todo momento usted tiene que mantenerse a no menos de 500 pies de distancia de la víctima y el lugar donde ésta viva, trabaje o estudie.
You understand the stay away order, sir?
¿Entiende la orden de alejamiento?
Sí.
Okay.
Yes.
Your bond is $5,000. Have a nice day.
La fianza es de $5,000. Que tenga buen día.
Next is Charles Rackley, page 6. Good morning, sir. We're arrested for petty theft, 2 or more convictions, possession of drug paraphernalia, and false name. After arrest, I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charges. Count 1 and count 3. Let me see the director. I think count two, there's an issue with probable cause. You are ordered to stay away from the Home Depot store at 12055 Biscayne Boulevard in North Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that Home Depot store and you must stay away from there, sir. Do you understand? Stay away order?
Yes.
Thank you. He has fires going back to the 90s. Actually to the 80s. 88, 89. 80s and pages of fires. He has convictions for burglary from September 12th. He got 13 months. September 12th of 364. I'm betting a bomb. $2,500 count one. Do you want $1 on count two or lease outright, Corey?
$1.
25, I'm sorry, 2,500 count one. For petty theft, 2 or more convictions, count two. Possession of drug paraphernalia will be $1. Count 3, false name after arrest is $500. And stay out of that Home Depot. Have a good day, sir. Next, Angel Nolasco, page 6. Good morning. Spanish. So you were arrested for strong arm robbery and criminal mischief. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Muy bien, señora. Usted se le imputa el delito de robo con violencia y destrucción a la propiedad privada. Voy a asignarle a la oficina de la Defensoría Pública.
He has a hold of immigration.
Tiene una retención migratoria.
Count 2 should be battery. The criminal mischief is.
El cargo número 2 debería ser agresión y no destrucción a la propiedad.
You are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, whose initials are AP.
Usted se le ordena mantenerse alejada de la supuesta víctima cuyas iniciales son AP.
No contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
Usted no puede tener contacto con la víctima, ya sea de manera directa o indirecta, en persona, por escrito, vía telefónica o a través de terceras personas.
No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means.
Tampoco puede tener contacto con la víctima a través de las redes sociales o cualquier otro medio de comunicación electrónica.
Angie must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home, school, and place of employment at all times.
Y en todo momento tiene que mantenerse a no menos de 500 pies de distancia de la víctima, el lugar donde ésta viva, trabaje o estudie.
Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
No puede participar de ninguna actividad delictiva, así como tampoco puede tener o consumir sustancias ilícitas.
Do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition.
Tampoco puede usar, comprar, portar armas de fuego o munición.
You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and follow receipt with the court.
De tener alguna de estas, tiene que ir a la comisaría más cercana y entregar cualquier arma de fuego, permiso para portar arma oculta y luego ir al tribunal a dar el recibo de dicha entrega.
Do you understand the stay away order?
¿Entiende la orden de alejamiento?
Sí.
Yes.
I'm not sure. What do you want me to find probable cause for count 2? There's no value for criminal mischief. It doesn't mention anything being damaged.
I agree, Judge.
Count 2 is probable cause for battery.
El cargo 2 se cambia de destrucción a la propiedad a agresión.
Right, so count 1, strong arm robbery. That bond will be $6,500. Count 2, battery is $1,000.
El cargo número 1, que es robo con violencia, la fianza es de $6,500. Y el cargo número 2, que es agresión, la fianza es de $1,000.
And he also had that immigration hold is from Honduras. Have a good day.
Recuerde, tiene la retención migratoria, usted es de Honduras.
Next, we have page 7, Logan Williams. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for a case from September 19th. The charge is throwing or shooting a deadly missile, battery, and assault. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. I guess count 3 should be criminal mischief. You are ordered, are you currently living with the brother or no?
No, we're not. Still my brother.
All right. You are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim whose initials are GY. No contact with the alleged victim, GY, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, his home and school and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. Do not purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You have money to post the bond?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right. Count 1, the throwing or shooting a deadly missile. I'll set it at, I guess, I don't know. $3,500. Count 2, battery is $1,000, and count 3, criminal mischief is $150. Have a good day. Actually, it should be more, but I'll leave it at 150 bond. It's a first degree misdemeanor criminal mischief. Next case is Edwin Marin. Age 7 still.
Did we do Brian Watson?
What?
Brian Watson?
We did that earlier.
Okay.
Okay. Good morning. Mr. Marin, do you speak English? Sir, you were arrested for false imprisonment, strong arm robbery, and battery. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Okay, I'm finding probable cause for all the charges. You were ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Tatiana Figueroa. No contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home, school, and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. Do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes, completely, Judge.
Thank you. He also should have been charged of criminal mischief, breaking the victim's cell phone. He wasn't. Count one, false imprisonment, is $2,500. Count two, strong arm robbery, will be $6,500. Count three, battery, is $1,000. So the total bond is $10,000. Stay away from the victim. Have a nice day.
Judge, can I have third party contact with the child?
No, let him go to family court. I'm not ordering it here. He's constantly breaking her phone and is attacking her. I'm not.
Judge, he has a completely different version of the events in the arrest.
Go to family court. I'm not dealing with it.
I'll just.
Goodbye. Next is Christopher Nunez, page 7. Good morning, sir. You were arrested for possession of a driver's license in similitude. It says unauthorized alien. I don't know if that's correct. And petty theft. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So he has 2 fake driver's licenses. So I don't know why I wasn't charged with unlawful possession of a stolen or fictitious driver's license. That's the more appropriate charge. All right, sir, you were ordered to stay away from the Walmart store at 1425 Northeast 163rd Street in Miami, Florida. You're not allowed to go to that store and you must stay away from there, sir. Do you understand?
Absolutely.
Okay.
And
He has a conviction from October 29th for resisting. Today is November 2nd. No, today's November 3rd. Excuse me. Possession of cocaine from July. I'm setting a bond. Count 1, fake driver's licenses are $2,500. Count 2, petty theft, is $150. Have a good day.
Sorry, Judge, we couldn't hear number count 1.
2,500, count 1, $150, count 2.
Judge, Mr. Nunez does not have funds for the bond.
So he'll see a judge in, what was it, 21 days, or you can revisit it with the division judge, but he has recent convictions.
I'll just look at.
Stephen Green is next. Is he here? Why is she sent a stay away order if he hasn't been here? Good morning, sir. Mr. Green, you were arrested for 1 count of attempted second-degree murder, 1 count of possession of a firearm, weapon, or ammunition by a convicted felon, 1 count of use of a firearm during the commission of a felony, 1 count of discharge of a firearm at a residential or public area. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
We'll be invoking Mr. Green's right to counsel and his right to remain silent. My understanding is not for public cause hearing for count 2.
Count 2, is that why? Okay, thank you. Just reset. Possession of a firearm by convicted felon. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. Miss Burgess, are you gonna pull up his priors or what?
I can do that, Judge. I did not have any notation about that, but if the
Okay,
court,
so did the judge read a stay away order to you yesterday? Was he here yesterday for the stay away order?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. I need another one. It's not dated, so I have to do it again. Stay away from Terrence Smith, the alleged victim. No contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone or through third parties, and you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, his home, school, and place of employment. So there's no probable cause with regard to him being a convicted felon, although I do have his prior sheet here. He has convictions from 2015, a felony. His convictions, let's see, probation violation 92, old convictions. Possession of cocaine. Ms. Sturgis, are you pulling anything or no?
yes, Judge, I'm working on pulling it up, the judgment and sentence right now.
The clerk's office on the weekend needs to make sure those are dated. I don't know who's working on the weekend. Here's a conviction in 2016. You want the case number F15-21705?
I have it right now, Judge. I'm just going to share my screen.
All right.
Judge, I'm showing the court case number F15021705, a judgment and sentence for defendant Stephen Green, adjudicated guilty. I'm scrolling down so the court can see the signature of Judge Pooler on August 29th, 2016.
All right, so there's probable cause for the charge for count 2. So count 1, attempted second-degree murder. That I'm going to grant the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing and hold you at no bond. Count 2, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon is $7,500. 1 second. Use of a firearm during the commission of a felony is $7,500. And count 4, discharge of a firearm in a public or residential area is $500. So you'll see a judge tomorrow. That judge will set the final hearing on the state's motion for pretrial detention. Good day, sir.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, can you repeat 3 and 4? My apologies.
3 is $7,500, 4 is $500.
Thank you.
Next is Brian Cash, page 8, added charge.
He refused.
All right.
We can wait.
There's probable cause for the charge. Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence, bond is $2,500. Can you please give the victim's name? It's here. Thank you. Next, Carlos Gonzalez. Page 8.
He refused.
We'll wait.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence.
I'd ask you for probable cause for trespass.
There's probable cause for burglary to the unoccupied dwelling. He's out on bond hold for F24-25370, and the bond is $7,500. You said it refusal, right?
Yes.
The next case, John Gianelli, is he still at the hospital?
Yes, Judge.
What do you want to do with these, Miss Corey? Just keep resetting them?
We can set him. Actually, is this an added charge?
I think so. I don't know. 1029 Ward D, and he's been there ever since. And may
Let me see. Was he on Zoom today? Judge, he's actually, the corrections is asking for a compassionate release from him, Judge, on his other case.
for the division judge?
Yes, they sent an email last week. I think he's still, corrections, that hasn't been addressed yet, right?
Who? No, he's in Ward D.
Right, but his compassionate release hasn't been addressed.
No, not by me.
The other petty theft, F25-22620, they waived his presence and the bond was $1,000. And then he has another case, the F25-3566.
Judge, we'll waive his presence and then we can have them both addressed in division.
So what do you want me to do?
We'll go ahead and waive his presence and then we'll have the compassionate release addressed in division for both.
What do you want me to set this bond at $1?
That's fine.
$1 bond. Next is Rainier Figueroa, page 10.
NBC added charge.
What'd you say?
NBC added charge.
We'll waive this.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive the presence. There's probable cause. $2,500 bond.
And Mr. Did you have the name of the alleged victim?
I do. It's Lazaro Perez.
Thank you.
Davion McDonald's, page 11.
NBC.
We'll wait.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. There's probable cause, $2,500.
Jameer Brewer, if you need it.
How do you spell the first name?
Jamir. Brewer, BREWER.
Thank you.
Next,
I have two cases for Mr. McDonald.
I only got one. I only have F25-23941.
Okay, disregard.
Next is Anderson Fernandez, page 11. He has two cases.
Correction, what be done on the F25-22331 case?
I have a total of $5,002.
On this case, you want me to reset it? Where was he? Was he NBC or refusal?
NBC.
Just, oh, wait a minute.
All right, there's probable cause for both cases. The bond on each case is $2,500.
Yeah, Mr. You have the name victim.
Yes. For 23939, it is Clark George, GEORGE. And 23948. It is Larry Chaviano, CHAVIANO.
Thank you.
All right, next is Andres De La Rosa, page 11.
NBC, added charge.
Well, wait a
All right, appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. Bond's $2,500.
Victim is Lazaro Perez.
Thank you.
Page 12, Jose Rodriguez Ruiz.
NBC.
Oh, wait.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. This probable cost $2,500.
Is that Mr. Brew also correct?
Yes, yes, this is the co-defendant. Jameer Brewer is the victim.
Page 12, Demar Peralta.
NBC.
Oh, wait a minute.
There's probably $2,500. Next, Brian Lopez, page 12.
NBC.
Oh, wait.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. There's probable cause for the charge. I'll set his bond at $2,500.
That's that. But it,
Correct.
Angel Bruzon, land, page 13.
NBC.
oh, wait.
There's probable cause. Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence, bond to $2,500.
Benjamin Lewis, LEWIS.
Thank you.
Then page 13, Adam Eason.
NBC.
Oh, wait.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. There's probable cause, $2,500.
And the name of the
The victim is Yanichez, Yanichez Morales with a Z at the end.
thank you.
Okay, that's the end of our morning calendar. What's the earliest we can start? State, can you start at 1?
I'm at the mercy of the court, Judge, whenever the clerk's ready.
Diane, it's 11:10. You want to start at what? 1:15, what times? Corrections, what time can you handle?
15 is good, Judge.
What?
1:15?
All right, 1:15.
Anna, can you call me, please?
Thank you. See everybody later.
Bye,
Thank
Judge.
you, Judge.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
I am Judge Biddy GLAZER. I will be presiding today. The video for first appearance hearings has been played to all defendants. I need everybody to please stand up, raise your right hand, and be sworn in by our clerk.
Todos, por favor, pónganse de pie y levanten la mano derecha para prestar juramento.
Do you swear from the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Say I do.
Juran decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad. Digan, lo juro.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Madam Interpreter, please raise your right hand. Do you swear that you will well and faithfully interpret from English to Spanish, Spanish to English, the questions asked and answers given to the best of your ability, that you have such ability?
I do. Maria Correal, certified court interpreter.
Good afternoon. If there is anybody here for a case on Zoom, please type the defendant's name in the chat room.
Buenas tardes. Si hay alguien aquí para un caso por el Zoom, por favor escriban el nombre del acusado en el chat.
Let's begin. Can the attorneys announce? State.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jennifer Sturgis on behalf of the State Attorney's Office.
Good afternoon.
Rebecca Corey, Assistant Public Defender.
Good afternoon. We're going to start with the ladies. Brenda Bareilles.
Brenda.
Your Honor, there's immigration hold.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. You were arrested for aggravated battery. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Buenas tardes, señora. Usted fue arrestada por agresión física con agravantes. Voy a asignarle el abogado de oficio para que la represente.
There is probable cause for the charge.
Sí existe motivo fundado por los cargos.
I'm also told you have an immigration hold.
También me han dicho que usted tiene una detención de inmigración.
So, ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Armando Guzman.
Señora, a usted se le da la orden de mantenerse alejada de la presunta víctima, Armando Guzmán.
No contact with the victim either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
Usted no puede tener ningún tipo de contacto con esa persona, no puede tener contacto directo o indirecto en persona, por escrito, por teléfono o a través de terceros.
No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means.
No puede tener contacto con la víctima a través de medios sociales u otros medios electrónicos.
And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, his home and school, and place of employment at all times.
Y usted debe mantenerse en todo momento a una distancia de al menos 500 pies de donde esté esta persona, de donde viva, trabaja o estudie.
Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
No puede involucrarse en ningún tipo de actividad delictiva, no puede usar o poseer drogas ilícitas.
And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition.
Y no puede usar, comprar, portar o tener ningún tipo de arma, arma de fuego, pistolas o munición.
You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court.
Y usted debe entregar de inmediato cualquier tipo de arma de fuego, munición o permiso para portar armas ocultas a la policía más cercana y entregar un recibo en la secretaría del tribunal.
You may return to the victim's residence one time only within 48 hours of your release from jail.
Usted puede regresar a la casa de la víctima solamente una vez después de las 48 horas que la hayan dejado salir de la cárcel.
You must be accompanied by a police officer
Debe ir acompañada de un oficial de la policía
so that you can retrieve your personal clothing, health items, medication, personal and business-related paperwork, and work tools.
para usted poder retirar sus artículos personales, tales como su ropa, artículos de salud, medicamentos, documentos personales y de trabajo y herramientas de trabajo.
If you go to the victim's home without the police or if you stay there, you will be arrested.
Si usted va a la casa de la víctima sin la policía o si usted se queda ahí, usted será arrestada.
Do you understand the stay away order, ma'am?
Señora, ¿usted ha entendido la orden de alejamiento?
Entendido.
Understood.
All right, there's probable cause. I'll set her bond at $5,000, and ma'am, you do have an immigration hold, so you may want to consult with an attorney before you post your bond.
Bien, entonces si existe motivo fundado, voy a fijarle la fianza en $5,000. Señora, usted sí tiene una detención de inmigración, o sea que quizás quiera consultar con un abogado antes de pagar la fianza.
Your Honor, can we turn on the camera to show the defendants in court?
Oh, it's not me.
Well,
Video.
whomever, please.
Can you have this screen with Miss Corey? The Zoom out there at the jail? We don't have it. Video? You want to call video for me?
They gotta do it from their end. I can't do it.
It's them, not us. Corrections, can you put on this? Can you put on the screen, Miss Corey? We can't see you or the defendants at the jail.
Judge, Miss Marias is indicating that she has a private attorney.
Oh, okay. Who's your lawyer?
Bench.
¿Quién es su abogado?
Before I do anything else.
Es Almeida.
Almeida.
Sí.
Well, where are they?
¿Dónde está su abogado?
No lo tengo acá, simplemente yo preguntaba si puedo dejar esta orden de la fianza, comentárselo al abogado que yo conozco. O sea, no lo tengo justamente acá.
I don't have the attorney right here right now. I just wanted to know if I can consult this with the attorney.
Well, we're not going to do anything right now until they turn the video on there at the jail. Let me see.
Estamos esperando a que enciendan el video. Por ahora no vamos a hacer nada. Un momento.
There you go.
Okay, thank you. So, ma'am, did you hire a lawyer for this criminal case or is it for your immigration case?
Señora, ¿usted contrató a un abogado para este caso penal o era para su caso de inmigración?
No, es el que tiene mi caso de inmigración.
No, it's the attorney that has my immigration case.
Okay, so can you afford to hire a lawyer in this criminal case?
¿Usted tiene los medios para contratar un abogado para este caso penal?
No los tengo.
I don't have the funds.
I'm appointing the public defender's office.
Bien, estoy asignándole a los abogados de oficio para que la representen.
All right, have a nice day. I set the bond at $5,000.
Bien, entonces que tenga buen día y yo le bajé la fianza, le fijé la fianza en $5,000.
Have a nice day.
Que
Next,
tenga buen día.
Officer on Zoom, we have Mr. Delier, Brew Delier. Do we know if Mr. Wilson heard back on a bond form?
Judge, which one did you call?
On Zoom, Brew Delier.
He's number 13 on the calendar.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought he was in the one.
On page 4.
Thank you.
He's on Zoom.
Sir, do you speak?
Your Honor, this is an added charge for Mr. Brew. He's a sentenced inmate. His sentence in the 18th of May.
Okay, sir, Mr. Abreu, do you speak English? ¿Usted habla inglés?
No.
Spanish, please. Sir, you were arrested for battery by a detainee on another detainee. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Señor, usted fue arrestado por agresión física por parte de un detenido contra otro detenido. Voy a asignarle a los abogados de oficio para que lo representen.
There is probable cause for the charge. Your bond is $2,500.
Si existe motivo fundado por el cargo, la fianza le queda en $2,500.
Have a nice day.
Que tenga buen día.
Next,
Mr. Just first name of the election.
name of the.
Okay.
Diosvani, Diosvanni.
Did you have a question? No, because he just left. Okay, Maribel Escondel Lopez. It's reset for attorney. I don't see anybody here.
Present, please.
Ma'am, have you been able to hire a private lawyer for this case?
Miss Corey, did you say Spanish?
Please.
Spanish.
Señora, ¿usted ha tenido la oportunidad de contratar un abogado para este caso?
Como sí tengo dos buenas que quiero que me.
I'm sorry, I can't hear her. ¿Puede hablar más cerca al micrófono?
Sí, tengo pensado poner un abogado.
Yes, I've thought of hiring an attorney.
Okay, so are you gonna have a lawyer come to court today?
Bien, entonces ¿va a tener un abogado el día de hoy, en la sesión de hoy?
No, porque no he podido hablar con él por teléfono ni con la señora Mayra Trinche, que es la que quiero que me represente.
No, because I haven't been able to speak to him or the lady Mayra, and Judge, I wasn't able to hear the rest.
Ma'am, do you want to waive the presence of a lawyer so that you can then post a bond and hire a lawyer when you get out of jail?
Señora, ¿usted quiere renunciar al derecho de tener un abogado presente en este momento para que le fijen una fianza, usted pueda salir de la cárcel y así hablar o contratar a algún abogado?
Perfecto, entonces cojo el abogado de aquí y ya después entonces pongo de acuerdo con esto.
Perfect, then I'll take an attorney from here and then afterwards I will hire an attorney.
No, ma'am, it doesn't work like that. You don't qualify for a public defender. That's for people who are indigent.
No, señora, no funciona así. Usted no califica para que le asignen un abogado de oficio. Eso es para las personas que no tienen medios.
If you want to waive the presence of a lawyer for this purposes of this first appearance hearing, that's okay. I'll set a bond now and you can hire a lawyer at a later date.
Si usted quiere renunciar al derecho de tener un abogado presente para esta primera comparecencia, eso está bien. Yo le fijo una fianza y usted puede salir y después contrata a un abogado.
Perfecto, muchas gracias.
Perfect,
right.
thank you very much.
I'll set a bond. Count one will be $4,000. Count two is $1,000. Have a good day.
Bien, entonces le fijo la fianza. El cargo número 1, $4,000. Cargo número 2, $1,000. Que tenga buen día.
And count two is, count one probable cause for child abuse. Count two is battery.
Cargo número 1 es motivo fundado por abuso infantil y cargo número 2 es agresión física.
Yes. No, not for battery by detainee. We don't. Next on page 1, Carla Fuentes.
Added charge, ma'am.
Added charge. Good afternoon, ma'am. You were arrested for battery by a detainee on another detainee. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There is probable cause for the charge. Your bond will be $2,500. Have a nice day. Next is Eddie Martinez Gonzalez, page 2. Is he all?
Your Honor, we have Ms. Rodriguez from this morning on the fugitive count.
What?
Ms. Rodriguez from this morning.
Yeah, Vet Rodriguez. What about her?
She's coming up now.
Oh, I reset it for the afternoon. Hi, Miss Rodriguez. Good afternoon. Was Mr. Wilson able to hear anything back from Broward County?
We did hear back from Broward. They will not agree to a bond.
So unfortunately, Broward won't agree to a bond, but the good news is they usually come once a week. You should probably go there sometime this week and you'll see a judge. So the reset date here is November 18th. It's no bond. And I'm sorry about that. Have a good day. We have some people on Zoom. I see Mr. Julian Butler and then Mr. Salgado. Let's see who I can find first. Paperwork. Julian Butler on page 5. Good afternoon, sir. He's at Metro West 1. You were arrested for battery by a detainee on another detainee. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charge.
Judge, I'd ask you to find probable cause for assault. It says he swung and missed.
Read the next page, but touches his chest.
Okay.
Bond is, I'll set his bond at $1,500. He doesn't have a lot going on. So please don't fight at the jail. Have a good day.
Mr. You know how to give the name of the alleged victim?
It's right in here.
Juan Rodriguez.
Thank you.
Sorry. Thank you. Have a nice day, Mr. Butler. Then we have Joseph Salgado. Sir, do you?
Judge.
Hey, how are you? I got to find your paperwork. Page 5. All right, Mr. Salgado, you were arrested for burglary with an assault or battery. Public defender's office will be appointed for you. So this goes back to December 30th of 2021. Are you currently, do you see?
I'm sorry, Judge. I don't mean to interrupt. You said burglary and battery?
Burglary with an assault or battery. It's from December 30th of 2021. And it says that you broke down the victim's door, grabbed her by the hair, pulled her to the floor, punched her on the head, and there was a witness who saw the same thing.
Mr. Salgado, please do not make any statements or comments about what happened.
These are allegations, sir.
Are you still together with her?
No, Judge. No.
That's the lawyer. Okay. Is he in jail on something else or no?
Misdemeanor.
All right. Sir, you are ordered to stay away from Yesenia Ortiz, the alleged victim. No contact with the victim, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media.
I understand, Judge. I'm just simply here to state that it was unbeknownst to me.
Finish reading the stay away order first, and then
Statements about the case.
All right, so you stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. Do not purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. What do you want to say? Just don't talk about the facts.
Okay. No, simply stating that I was simply unaware of a non-expiring order, as was the other party.
You're here for an incident from 2021, almost 4 years ago. That's why you're here. You're not here for the other case.
Okay. With that being said, like I said, it was unbeknownst to me that it was a non-expiring order. I was made aware that once the case was no action, that would,
Do you have a place to stay?
Yes, I do.
Judge, would you consider either pretrial services or house arrest?
Yeah, pretrial. They filed a motion for pretrial detention. What? He has a protected injunction violation now. So you're going to have to go see the division judge. I'm granting the state.
Judge, would you consider house arrest instead?
He's going to see a judge tomorrow. That judge can address it. I would consider it, but he has an injunction for the same victim, I believe. So I'm granting the state's motion for pretrial detention pending final hearing, holding you with no bond. You'll see a judge tomorrow, and that judge will set a final hearing, or that judge can release you to house arrest or give you a bond. Huh? All right, good luck to you, sir.
So, Mr. Salgado, you're going to go see Judge Young tomorrow morning. Okay.
He's very nice. He may give you a bond or just give you house arrest.
You're very nice too, Judge, would you consider house?
I really don't feel comfortable doing it because of-
2021.
I understand. Judge Young is
I
nice.
just don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my job.
You're being held on your other case anyway. When's he gonna see a judge on the case?
Correction.
He received a bond for 1,500 plus. No, it was
And I've paid a bond as well,
What
Judge.
did he get?
a bond of 1,500.
Plus house arrest or straight bond?
It was a straight bond, Judge.
Straight bond.
I'm okay with house arrest, alternate no bond. State, do you have an objection to that? It's from 2021.
I hear it. I hear you, Judge, and I understand what Your Honor and defense counsel is saying, but based on the egregious facts listed here or allegations listed here, I would ask for the court to grant the state's motion and have it be addressed tomorrow.
All right, I'll deny the state's motion. I'll give him house arrest with a GPS monitor. Alternate bonds is no bond. Oh, I'll do level 3 house arrest. What are your hours you work, sir?
I sell cars. So it varies. I'm a 9 to 5 or a
Right.
12 to 9.
I'm giving you a curfew, 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. You gotta be home, okay?
Okay.
But you're gonna get out of jail for free with house arrest. Just stay out of trouble. Alternate's no bond. So if you violate any condition of house arrest or you're the victim, will be alleged victim, you will be locked up in jail until the trial.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
All
It
right.
would be over state's objection.
So no.
Mr. Sagado, when you get out, please contact the public defender's office and talk to your lawyer about your case, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So it's no motion no more, Your Honor. It's just
So no, I'm not gonna hold him. I'll let him bond out. It's fine. You can tear it up. It's from 2021. It's 4 years later. Next, Wendy Martinez Gonzalez, page 2. Does he have an immigration hold?
immigration.
You want $1? You want $1,000? You want $1 on this? I have no objection. He had a bag with cocaine. Sir, good afternoon. Do you speak English?
Spanish.
Sir, you were arrested for possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you.
Señor, usted fue arrestado por tenencia de cocaína. Voy a asignarle a los abogados de oficio para que lo representen.
There's probable cause for the charge. I'll set your bond at $1. Make sure to keep all future court dates.
Si existe motivo fundado por el cargo, voy a fijarle fianza de $1. Asegúrese de cumplir con sus próximas audiencias.
Okay, next is Michael Diaz, page 2. This is looking for from 04. It's 21 years ago. It's almost 20 years ago, those cases. You guys are getting tough. Do you have Mr. Michael Diaz, please?
Your Honor, on his traffic,
Michael Diaz, you want me to pass it?
no, he's coming. Your Honor, on his traffic, he received pretrial alternate 150.
Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There is probable cause for the charge. Pretrial services, alternate bond, $2,500. Have a nice day. Next is Anthony Kennedy, page 2. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of a controlled substance. It's a THC cartridge. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. I believe there's probable cause for the charge. Pretrial services, alternate bond, $1,000. Have a nice day. Yeah. There's no. Dominic Alonso is next, page 2. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for dealing in stolen property, possession of a controlled substance, THC, unlawful possession of a stolen credit or debit card, possession of cannabis. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. I don't know. I sort of believe there is probable cause. I'm not giving a pretrial. I'm giving house arrest. He wants that. He has a lady's stolen wallet, one of her stolen credit cards. He shouldn't even get house arrest. Let him post a bond. 19. And then he gave him some BS story about the wallet belongs to his aunt when it didn't because it was stolen out of her car. Mr. You okay with house arrest? I guess we don't use.
Yes, house arrest, I'm okay with.
Right, house arrest with a GPS monitor. Alternate bond count 1 will be $5,000 for dealing in stolen property. Count 2, possession of the controlled substance, THC, will be $1,000. Count 3, unlawful possession of a stolen credit or debit card is $2,500 bonds. Count 4, possession of cannabis. I'll set it at $1. And I'm going to do level 3 house arrest with a curfew from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Yeah, house arrest GPS level 3, curfew 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. Have a nice day. Next case is Leonardo Gonzalez Carrion. Is he eligible for children? For what? Oh, I can't do that. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for possession of cocaine and possession of drug paraphernalia. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Is English okay? Yes. There's probable cause for the charge. The problem is he has a recent case this month, the same charge. Let him post the bond.
Would you consider pretrial?
No, they don't want him. He has a recent conviction for it from last month. Maybe tap if they'll give him drug counseling. I don't know. You pick up a new case while you're out, you're going to wind up getting locked up in jail until the trial. Tap alternate bond, $2,500 count 1 and $500 count 2. Tap the case numbers F25 23964. You got to put tap on their desk, please. That goes on your. You want me to write it? Where's the paper for him? Oh, thank you. It's not the ID. That's why. Oh, I don't know. Does he need a court date or does he have an address?
He has an address.
Thank you. Yeah, this there then on your desk, please.
Spanish, please.
Next is Hector Rosales Hernandez. Good afternoon, sir.
Judge, he's not here. Mr. Rosales Hernandez, did he refuse corrections?
He refused. You want to waive his presence?
Yes.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence. There's probable cause. Bond is $5,000. Actually,
would you take the church?
Where it happened, the ER? I'll set it at $3,000. Next is Dorian Cabrera Martinez.
Spanish, please.
Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for battery by strangulation. I will appoint the
Hold by
public
immigration.
defender's office for you.
Hold for immigration.
Buenas tardes, señor. Usted fue arrestado por agresión física, por estrangulamiento. Voy a asignarle a los abogados de oficio para que lo representen y han dicho que tiene una detención de inmigración.
There is probable cause for the charge.
Si existe motivo fundado por el cargo,
Sir, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Elka Alvarenga.
señor, usted se le da la orden de mantenerse alejado de la presunta víctima, Elka Alvarenga.
No contact with the victim either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties.
No puede tener ningún tipo de contacto con esta persona, no puede tener contacto directo o indirecto en persona, por escrito, por teléfono o a través de terceros.
No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means.
No puede tener contacto con la víctima a través de medios sociales u otros medios electrónicos.
And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school, and place of employment at all times.
Y usted debe mantenerse al menos a una distancia de 500 pies de la víctima, de donde ella vive, estudia, trabaja en todo momento.
Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs.
No puede involucrarse en ningún tipo de actividad delictiva, no puede usar o poseer drogas ilícitas.
And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition.
Y no puede usar, comprar, portar o tener ningún tipo de arma, arma de fuego, pistolas o munición.
You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court.
Usted debe de entregar de inmediato cualquier tipo de arma de fuego, munición o permiso para portar armas ocultas a la policía más cercana y entregar un recibo con la Secretaría del Tribunal.
You may return to the victim's residence one time only within 48 hours of your release from jail.
Usted puede regresar a donde vive la víctima una sola vez dentro de las 48 horas después de que lo hayan dejado salir de la cárcel.
You must be accompanied by a police officer
Usted debe ir acompañado de un oficial de la policía
so that you can retrieve your personal clothing, health items, medication, personal and business-related paperwork, and work tools.
para usted poder retirar su ropa, sus artículos de salud, medicamentos, documentos personales y de trabajo y herramientas de trabajo.
If you go to the victim's home without the police, or if you stay there, you will be arrested.
Si usted va a la casa de la víctima sin la policía o si usted se queda ahí, usted será arrestado.
Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Señor, ¿usted entendió la orden de alejamiento?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, your bond is $5,000. Have a nice day.
Su fianza es de $5,000. Que tenga buen día.
Next, we have Kaylin Smith. Good afternoon, sir. You were arrested for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So there's probable cause for the charge. You are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Salida Renee Smith, your mother. No contact with her, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone or through third parties. No contact with the victim through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victim, her home and school and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and file a receipt with the court. Do you understand the stay away order, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your bond is $5,000. Have a nice day, sir. Are you okay? He doesn't have a lot of priors. You states you have an objection, I make it 3,000.
One moment, Judge, let me just review. the priors.
Grab the knife outside is showing it to you. I'm okay with
You reset tomorrow for possible hospitalization.
Reset hospital tomorrow, even better. Reset tomorrow for hospital. Okay, next, Casey Rumpf.
Ronna, he refused.
What?
He refused.
He refused court, okay. So Mr. Rumpf refused court, you want to waive his presence?
Yes, Judge.
I'll set the bond at $1,000.
I'd ask for, would you do $1?
No, the victim came out with scratches and he was seen going over there. Then
But
somebody,
it doesn't say how it started.
Miss Corey, I lowered it. He's
I'm asking for $1.
I'm not doing $1. State, do you have an objection to $1?
That was $1,000 for Hunter.
$1,000, I'm okay with, Judge.
$1,000, okay.
Victim is Terrell, Terrele, Darling.
Next is Devin Lamb.
He was relocated to a pretrial detention center.
Okay, there's probable cause. You want to waive his presence?
Yeah.
Appoint the public defender's office, waive presence, bond is $2,500. Next, your roll down.
He was also relocated to pretrial detention, Your Honor.
I'll waive his presence. He said it's correct.
There is probable cause for the charge. Mr. Sturgis, you have the first name of the victim?
Zachria, Zakria, Khan, Khan.
Thank you.
You said NBC Corrections?
Yes.
Okay. The bond is $2,500.
You said 2,500?
2,500. I never said it was a 500. I do $1 or 1,000. I'm pretty consistent. Never 500. Also, is there any more? We're done. No more in-state warrants, right?
We're done.
We're done. Have a nice afternoon. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Judge.
Bye-bye. Thank you, Mr. Video, we're done.
Recording stopped.